Hello guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add Twitter feed like this in your WordPress page or footer of your WordPress website. Now remember one thing, in this website I have used this node theme. If you use any other theme, its settings is different from this one. So how to add Twitter feed? First, I will open a new tab and I will search publish.twitter.com. Now here click on this arrow drop down. Here you have 5 different options. You can use a tweet, profile, a list, a Twitter handle or a hashtag. If you click on a tweet, now here you can add your tweet link that you can copy from your Twitter ID. Now when you paste it here, you can see the preview under this. Now you can use profile. If I will use this profile and I will press enter, and then I will click embed timeline. Now it will appear like that. You have some other options like you can use a list or a handle. Let's see, I will use an handle. I will search this handle and then press on this arrow. Now I will select embedded timeline. Now under this you can see this timeline. Also you have other options to show a list. It will appear like that. You can show a hashtag, like I will use this love Twitter. Now here I will use a timeline handle. I will use now here you can see I have this timeline. Now next thing, I will customize it. So I will click on this set customization option. Here I have this 600. I will add 600 of height and 400 pixel of width. You can make it dark or light. Also you can change its language. Now it will appear like that. Now I will click on update. And then copy this code. Now this code was copied. Now go back to your site, log into the dashboard. Now I will go to appearance and widgets. Now scroll down. Here in footer 3 section, I will paste this code. Now I will update the page. Now after updating, visit the site. Now go to end of the post. Here you can see I have added this Twitter feed in a footer. That's how you can add Twitter feed in your page or footer. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.